In this video, I will be telling you guys how to turn on the auto caption or enable the auto caption option in the Zoom. But that the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it, and the Zoom link will be in the description below so you guys can check it out. Once you are in the Zoom web portal, what you have to do is to locate your account. You have to simply log in with your account and then just go to the setting option, or you guys can simply use the preferences option. Just go there and your settings will be open right over here. So now what you have to do exactly is locate the meeting option. Here you guys can see there is a meeting option, meeting tab over here. Just click on that and you will be redirected to this page. Just go to in meeting advanced option and just scroll down and you will see automated caption option. Just turn it on, and once you turn it on, you'll be able to see the full transcript and the live captions options in the conferences available. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.